I've now completed the left hand side of the car, moved on to the right, and that's done as well. So pretty much the same process. Replacing smallish sections, getting the contours in, and it took quite a while to get this one straight. So lots of little niggly bits. Seems like I've been working on it forever, but that's pretty good now. Not too bad a job there, I think. And now I've moved around to the back, and this is going to be probably the greatest challenge, I would have thought, on this bodywork, because I haven't got an English wheel and the contours are a little bit difficult to work with. So I'm gonna a couple of things I found out. I thought I'd take the paint right back, and I found there's quite a lot of filler in there, so I don't know if you can see that, but it's all been bent all over the place at the back. So I'm going to start by knocking out those dents as best I can, get a bit of shape back, and then try and work out what we've got going on along the bottom. If I get a rule, you can see there that it seems to be quite a lot higher on that side, so something's really a little odd that there. So I think what I'm going to do is, once I've knocked the dents out, I'll put the wings back on. I bought some wings. I don't think I'd reported on those last time, but I did got a really nice bloke called Bill who sold me these refurbished rear wings, and he had what he used as templates, some really good original front wings as well. So I convinced him to sell me those. So now I've got some nice steel wings. So the original ones were fiberglass, so they were just useless. So I'm going to put the rear wings on, align those up, and see if I can work out where everything should go, and then work from there. Worst of the bumps now beaten out, which is got that back to close to where it needs to be. I put the wings on for reference points, and I've started to mark out now the bits that need to be cut out and remade. Rear wings are back on, and I decided to make a piece to run across the bottom. So I fabricated this. This is an odd cut off section of it. So that's the right profile. Yeah, it goes that way up. So I put a bend in using my bending tool, which I've shown you before, and a relief in there. So yeah, there you go, you can see it there. So that's the correct shape for the original piece, and I basically cut the bottom section away and now clamp that up. So I'll weld that in place, and that gives me a nice straight edge, the correct straight edge to work from. So I can build the smaller curved sections. I'll build those up, maybe 3 or 4 of those in section to complete that rear section. I've got a few patch panels now on, not looking too bad. I'm very pleased where that's going, and I've just now made this piece using the shrinker and a bit of fettling. That should go on there. So I've just got to cut the old rust away and get that welded on, and I think we're well on the way. And now that bottom section's all tacked in now, all the way along. Got to complete the welding, fill in a few more gaps, and that'll be it.